Hi everyone, very warm welcome to my YouTube channel. So, how are you all, my dear viewers? I hope that everyone is pretty fine and doing very well. My dear viewers, in today's video, I'm sharing with you lots of beautiful nail art designs, your go-to spot for all things nails and style. Today we are breaking down the top nails trends that are totally dominating this season. Whether you love minimal check or bold bling, there's something here for you. So grab your polish, grab your coffee, and let's get inspired. So my dear viewers, don't skip the video, watch till the end because we drop fresh nails inspo every single day. Let's start our nail trends countdown. Let's blow up those nails. Aura nail art designs are soft, creamy gradients that look like glowing energy fields. Think pastel clouds meeting cosmic light, casually airbrushed for that perfect fade. Add rhinestones for a special sparkle. Each color combo gives a different vibe. Pink is love, blue is calm, purple is mystery. It's nail art with energy, totally insta-worthy. Chrome nails are mirror shine look is still going strong, from silver metallics to rose gold. Chrome adds instant glam. It's futuristic, fierce, and perfect for nights out. Try layering chrome over pastel polish for a softer vibe, or go full mirror for drama look. Nail artists are calling it the liquid metal look. It's bold but wearable, a total showstopper. 3D nail art designs or textures is in. Think pearls, tiny bows, charms, or sculpted hearts. The jelly 3D look is especially hot right now. Mix matte and gloss finishes for dimensions. It's not just nails, It's wearable art. Perfect for festivals, parties, or statement photo shoots. Keep a few accents nails 3D to balance the look. It's creative, playful, and totally you. The next is micro French tips, classic French nails, but thinner, sharper, more modern. Swap white for neon or metallic lines. It's minimal yet sophisticated. Slabs and models love this one. Works on long or short nails. Super versatile. My dear viewers, if you are new to my channel, then must visit on my channel once. There I have shared a lots of ideas related to different type of nail art designs, like summer nail art designs, winter nail art designs, autumn and spring nail art designs, and a lots of beautiful luxury and occasional nail art designs. For back-to-back videos, you can check them in my playlist that I've shared with the name of nail art designs. For more videos, more ideas, must visit on my channel. My dear viewers, if you like my today's video, then must hit the like button. And if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, then do subscribe my channel. And also hit the bell icon to get the notification of my upcoming new videos. And also tell me which nail art design you like the most. I have shared all the nails, beautiful, latest and stylish.